Teams missed one, maybe two teams missed 39. No, just the one team. Anyway, let's talk about that. Which of these are true? Is true, are true? Depends on how many. First one's true. Marginal revenue is defined as the change in total revenue divided by the change in output. And for a competitive firm, that's also equal to the price. And so that's true because they give us that it's a price-taking firm. The other ones turn out to be false, and the easiest way to see that is just to think about the price taker's problem, the output problem. Price and marginal cost are the same unit, so let's think about that marginal cost function, and then there's some price, some marginal revenue that's just fixed. Price taker can't sell anything if at anything below the market price. Well, actually they could, but they would have no reason to give a discount because they can sell all they want at the at the market price. What a price taker can't do is raise their price and get any new sales. Why? Because there's homogeneous products. All products are the same, and there's thousands of other firms in the extreme case. You get the competitive case by taking the limit and the number of firms goes to infinity. So there's just zillions of other firms ready to sell it at the market price. Why would I pay you something higher than that for the exact same good? We've ruled out any quality differences by assumption. It's an extreme case, not very realistic, but it gives us a good benchmark for the kinds of market failures we'll look at later in the semester. Anyway, so price takers must lower their price to sell additional units of output? No. Typically, if the price one can get is greater than the marginal cost of producing that good, if you can make something for $3 and get $10 for it, you'll produce one more unit. If you can get $10 for something that costs you $9 to produce one more unit, you'll do that. Where do you stop increasing output? Where those two are just equal. So Q naught is the optimal level of output. If you ever found yourself past Q naught, you could do better by decreasing output. You'd save more in marginal cost than you'd give up in revenues. So that's our output rule. But again, there's no ability to increase output past Q naught. If a price taker decides to increase output, the market price will decrease? No. The whole thing about a price taker is that each firm is so small compared to the market that even if they doubled output, if a single producer doubled output, they're just so small, the effect on the market is so negligible as to be ignored. Just nothing would happen. So 3 is out. And then finally, examples of price takers include McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, and Sonic Drive-In. Well, anytime you're in an arena where firms are advertising, to the extent that they're successful, there's going to be some loyalty. And so we're in a world of differentiated products, and such a world is not one where firms are price takers. So McDonald's could raise the price of a quarter pounder and not lose all its business. It might lose a lot of business, but it wouldn't lose all its business the way the perfectly competitive model would dictate. So B is the only answer that makes sense. Only one is true. All the others are untrue.